Hello and welcome to the PMI Schedule Module video tutorial series. It's a compilation of tutorials covering everything from navigation to creating a rotating schedule. This is available to all properties that do not have an integrated timekeeping system in place. In this video, we will learn how to replace shift codes for a period. And you can do so by going into Tools and choosing Replace Shift Code. This functionality is particularly useful when something needs to be changed on short notice, and it could be due to sick leave or simply two staff members that have agreed to swap shifts. So in our example here, Manuel and Basil wants to change shifts for the upcoming days. So looking closer to the schedule here, we see that it is the 8th and the 9th, 2 days, where the shift codes need to be replaced. So firstly, choose days in this option here, and then you are able to choose from the 1st until the 9th. Now only the period we are focusing on appears. So then into Tools, Replace Shift Code, and it's the night shift that will be replaced by the PM shift. So it's current code to new code, and that is for Basil, so we choose Basil. Hit OK and then save. Now it's Manuel's turn, and the PM shift codes will then be replaced by the night shift codes, and the same steps apply here as before. And then hit OK and save. And as you can see now, the changes have been applied. More information can be found in our knowledge base articles and video tutorial series. Thank you and take care.